Hello everybody, welcome to IB Tutors. Chase here, and this is the third video of 5 that pertains to review for the Geometry EOC. This video is on partitioning line segments. And actually, I kind of want to go over some information with you, starting you off with this little fact. Or I'll get to the fact afterward. But basically, to start off, you're going to be given a ratio. Like, for example, 2 to 5 as your ratio. And what you want to do with that is you want to you basically want to change that as to the smallest part out of the whole thing. So out of the whole thing there will be 7, and then that will be 2 to 7, and that will help you in the equation that I'm about to give you. And speaking of ratios, if you are given a 1-to-1 ratio by any chance, just be aware that they are looking for the midpoint. And the midpoint is very important in geometry. And now I'm going to give you the equation that I use, or the method that I use to find the coordinates of a point that partitions a line segment in a certain way. So I'm gonna start off with x1, and that would be any one of the x's plus k, which would be the ratio of the smaller part to the whole thing, and that would be multiplied by x2 minus x1, comma, y1, and actually this is pretty much the same as with x. So, but I'm just going to draw the whole thing for you. Alright, so the set, or the method that I use, is x1 plus k times x2 minus x1, comma, y1 plus k times y2 minus y1. And now, I am really not sure if I can give an example off of the top of my head. Actually, wait, I think I might be able to. Let's say that A is going to be 2, 3, and B is going to be 0.12, 8. Now, what you're going to need to do is, and let's say that I need a point that will partition the line segment in a 2 to 4 ratio. It is a 2 to 4 ratio. And keep in mind that you will not be simplifying this, no matter what. It's just easier to keep it in the form that it's given. So if I were to change the ratio to smallest part to the whole thing, I would change it to 2 to 6, or 2 over 6. And now I'm going to plug it into the formula that I gave you. And that would be 2 in place of x1 plus 2/6 times 12 minus 2 and comma 3 plus 2/6 times 8 minus 3. And keep in mind, the x1s I'm going to be underlining in red right now. Wait, the x1 I underlined, and the y1 I underlined as well. And I'm just going to put, for reference, 2/6 is equal to k. And if I do this, I will get 2 plus 20 over 6, comma, 3 plus 10 over 6, and that would give me the points. Those would give me the points 5.3, comma 4.67. And if I were to round this to the nearest tenth, it would be 5.3, comma 4.7. And that will be my answer. And I believe that would be right about here. I'm going to call it point C. Again, it would be 5.34 radical 7. And that is it for partitioning a line segment, and I will see you in the next video.